Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I got this twist out on short natural hair. I have extreme definition and my hair is super soft and moisturized. And to complete this style, I am going to be working in sections, and yeah, I'm just adding some water to my hair because it did dry out a little bit as I was setting up to record. And you all will see me squeezing my hair throughout this video. I do have low porosity hair, and I have found that squeezing the products in allows my hair to take in that moisture a little bit better. So now I'm going in with my leave-in conditioner, and by the way, I will leave all the products I use in the description box below. But as you can see, I do like to split my sections open and to add more product, because when you just do the outside, you miss all of those strands on the inside, and I prefer to have all of my strands moisturized, as you should too. And I'm going to start squeezing again and also finger detangling as I keep going. And yeah, this is the cream now. I went ahead and added the cream onto my hair, and I do like to use thick creams, you guys. I have thick, low porosity hair and type 4 hair, so I need the thickest creams possible because that's what allows my hair to get moisturized. And I went ahead and added some vitamin E oil to my hair as well. I have been loving vitamin E oil, you guys. It has been so thick and super moisturizing lately that I have just fallen in love. And now you just want to go ahead and start twisting your hair, and you will see me following up with a Denman brush. The Denman brush allows for more definition and less stress on your hands when it comes to detangling, honestly. But yeah, the trick to my twisting, or my technique I prefer, is twisting tightly and wiping off the excess products. So that's really all you have to do. Twist your hair tightly because that is how you get the most definition out of your twist out as possible. And then as you finish twisting, give it a little coil, take off that excess product, and repeat this process all over your head. I hope you all enjoyed the video and find it very helpful, and I will come back at the end of the video.
Is it alright if I tell you some of my secrets? I'm in over my head right now, think they're gonna weigh me down, cause I don't like holding on to all of these feelings, and I just need to let this out now. Conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all I know. Away, but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Some nights feels good and I have to fight it. Lose a little self-control, even if I get exposed. And it's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm trying. I wanna get lost in the storm. No conversations I have with myself, a lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet cause it's all I know. Push away, but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go. When it rains, let it pour. Getting lost in the waves. When it rains, let it pour. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it wash away. Let it rain, 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 wash away. Let it rain, 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 wash away. Let it rain, 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 wash away. Let it rain,
So my hair was dry the next day, but I had nowhere to go, so I just let my twist set for 2 days straight. And pretty much you can let your twist set however long you want to. You just want to make sure that they are completely dry before you begin taking it out. And yeah, so now we are about to begin the takedown process. You will see me adding a little bit of oil and a little bit of moisture mist to my hair, and that is to help with the frizz and to add a little bit moisture to my hair. As you all can see in this clip, my hair has completely soaked in all of the products that I put it in 2 days before. So that is why I'm very heavy with the product, because I know that my hair eats up moisture and it eats up all of the products.
The room is getting hotter. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. The pressure's getting stronger. The room is getting hotter. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. Let's keep it secret, you and me, treading the deep end dangerously. Let's keep it secret, you and me, treading the deep end.
So once all of the twists have been taken apart, it is time to separate and get that volume. As you all can see, I tend to separate my hair where it naturally wants to separate. However, I am guilty of forcing my hair to separate sometimes just to get the most volume. But if you are afraid of frizz, do not separate your hair where it doesn't want to naturally separate. You only want to separate it where your hair naturally splits. And as you separate, go ahead and give each strand a little coil so that you can keep those curls at the end.
The pressure's getting stronger. The room is getting hotter. Your hands, they grip my collar, gripping on my collar, and you're stopping me from leaving. Let's keep it secret, you and me, treading the deep end dangerously. Let's keep it secret, you and me, treading the deep end dangerously. Dangerous, dangerously, dangerous, dangerously. Stuck in the deep end, you and me. Yeah, I'm addicted, in too deep. Sink to the bottom quietly.
So because we are working with short natural hair and the shrinkage is real, we do need to grab a pick or a tail end of a comb and give our roots a lift. This adds more volume and it makes your hair look so much more fuller if you did not do it. So go ahead and grab you a pick and give those roots a lift. So we could have left the style like this, but we need to add a whole nother level to this style and do our edges. I am getting used to having short natural hair, and sometimes you have to add a little spunk to your style to make yourself feel confident and beautiful in your hair and the way you are presenting yourself. So we are going to split these edges down, and this is kind of like a mini edge tutorial. If you watch closely and you have had trouble with doing your edges, I feel like this could have been a tutorial by itself, but this is how I split my edges down and do my little swoops. I have heard a lot of people say that they don't know how to do the little swoops, so just watch closely, slow the video down, and you'll figure it out. It's really simple. It's kind of like parting your hair and then slicking it down, but if you didn't get it right here, don't worry. Just slow it down and go back and you will see.
I still get goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car. When we kiss, you make me sound the alarm. When we kiss, that thing go ring, ring, ring. Tell me how you feel, tell me what it is, tell me what it ain't.
And it is okay to mess up. As you all will see, I will go back and remold some of my swoops just so that they look a little bit more symmetrical. So don't stress yourself out, just take your time and it'll be okay.
That you wish you had made plans without me. Look, I hate to make this song about me, but I really wanna tell goosebumps whenever you call. When I pull up to your house in my car.
And that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. I enjoyed making this video and doing my hair, actually. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and make sure that you click the bell notification so that you get notifications sent straight to your phone when I upload a video. I will see you all in my next video. See ya.